YouTubers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the top gear on a Singer 449. Why does it need changing? Well, the Singer 449 is a good strong machine. It's cast aluminium for the most part, but the gearing inside is plastic and it was never designed for heavy duty work. You sew in really thick materials like heavy denim or trying to sew leather will very often result in the top gear breaking. Now the top gear is the cog, if you like, that transfers the power from the main shaft of the motor down to the hook, the bobbin hook. And in a moment I'll show you the broken one on this machine. But first of all, I'm going to start off by taking the machine out of its tabletop case, because we're going to need to access the belt, etc. underneath. We do that by simply turning the machine over carefully. Start by undoing the thumb nut, and taking out these two large screws, one there and one there. They're long. I put them in a dish or a box or something safe so that they don't get lost, and preferably put that somewhere where the kids or the dog can't knock it over and spill the little screws everywhere. It does happen. As you can see, this machine needs new rubber feet. There's only one reasonably good one on it, but that's a job for another day. Having done that, we simply ease the plastic base away, put it aside. There's a metal oil drip tray there, which was fixed by this nut going through the plastic and onto that. That comes off. You see there's felt in there which absorbs any oil, and it drips from the machine. This is the timing belt, and we're going to have to adjust the timing after we've changed the cog. Right, for the moment, back to the top. And the first thing we need to do is to take the top cover off. Which is two screws, very obviously situated one either end. Nearly lost my screw. Okay, this simply lifts off. Put that carefully aside, and we will also need possibly to take the front plate off, but we'll leave that for the moment. If I could just show you now the gears. That's the main drive shaft. There's a bit of dirty grease on there, and underneath it, though you can barely see it, there it is, a bit of yellowy colour plastic gear, which is actually broken in half. There's only half of it there. what we're going to do is take this front cover off the machine, the one that says Singer, covering all the controls, and that will give us a hole, hopefully, to put a screwdriver through so that we can undo the screw that's holding that gear in place.